This poor dog was found on the road, dying, hungry, and cold. But the rescuers soon discovered something even more heartbreaking. I'll show you. Before I show you, if you love your parents, like and subscribe. If you scroll without doing it, then maybe you don't. Drop a heart in the comments to honor all mothers and fathers who raised us with love. This dog wasn't abandoned, he was lost. He had been aimlessly searching for his owners, but sadly, they were already gone. They were elderly and weak to begin with, and this dog finally reunited with them at their funeral.